Hi my loves, welcome back to another vlog. Honestly, I just cannot believe that my birthday is this close already. Damn, time flies by so quickly. And you know what? I feel like this season has been so special, so reflective, and also it's been just full of beautiful little moments. And I've been collecting some of them. And because I'm heading somewhere tomorrow, I was like, Kiki, this video needs to be done today because people want to see it. Okay, so before I leave for my birthday, I thought it would be nice for me to just spend a cozy few days with you guys and just, share with you some of these moments. I think uploaded a video yesterday, but it's gonna go live in the coming days. So that's also another thing. Like, I've been trying to do things back to back because I don't want to leave you guys hanging, and then a few weeks later is when I'm starting to upload like my birthday vlog and so on and so forth, or the travel videos. So I was like, let me do this with you. Like, I got special things recently, unbox a few things as well. It's just a little birthday chapter together, and I'm happy to do it with you all. So we have a little bit of Hermes, a little bit of Chanel, and also I finally upgraded my phone. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that's about to happen. So this is the video, and I'm really excited about it because, come on, I've used my phone for many years and it's time to say goodbye. It's not working anymore. So I want to ask you to make yourself comfortable, grab something to drink, and let's get into the vlog. Okay, my love, so now we are going to start with our first unboxing, which I think we should start with the small one, moving on to the bigger one like that, or we can just randomly do them like that. But I think it's better if you just start with like all the Hermes first. Okay, so we're going to start off with this first beautiful box. Unboxing is usually the most favorite part for me, and I also want to make this unboxing very quick, by the way, so don't worry about that. So here we have this. Smells so good, like really good. I'm not even kidding. This smells so good. So I picked up this Barenia perfume. It smells very good. By the way, one of my friends gifted me this perfume, but a different one, and I really loved it. So I went to the shop and I went and tried what other perfumes they have. I've always been like a Hermes perfume girly, so this is how it looks like. It honestly looks so good. It looks so beautiful and so luxurious, and it smells like that. It smells so heavenly. I don't even know how I can describe it to you. This scent is something to die for. So I think I'm gonna carry it as well on my trip, so I'll just put it on the dust bag. That was my first item, so we'll just jump into the second one very quickly. We just do it so quick, okay? We don't have time to waste. So this second one is gonna be this. I'm telling you, I fell in love with this color. And I feel like on vacations, this is so amazing, especially when you're like going to beach bars, or when you just need like a toiletry bag in your bag, because I have one of my beautiful orange Evelyn's, and I think if I just put this inside, it's just gonna look so good. I love how this looks like as well. It's very spacious on the inside. They typically put this in, but because I'm not gonna need it when I'm going, I'll just remove it, because I'm definitely going to carry this for sure. I love it. So here we have, I think it's called Brida Back or Brida Back. I don't know, maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but you know what I mean. If you're a fan of this, you definitely know what I'm talking about. It carries so well. Look at it. This is gorgeous, right? I love the color. I feel like it's not an overdone color at all. And also it will suit me because I love colorful stuff. So I have a lot of colorful stuff, especially for summertime. So we have that. And then this is our last Hermes bag. And because it's big, I'm telling you, this is so good. Like, I was so lucky when I got this, because when I can tell you a little bit backstory about how I got this box. So this is like the icing on the cake, okay? So what happened, by the way, is this bag. I first went to the shop and I had already, you know, spoke with my SA, and I told her I'm gonna pop by on the shop, and she was like, yeah, okay. So I went in, and then she gave me like is it Kelly, or it's called a gypsier, and she brought it like it was in orange color, and I didn't like it. I was like, to be honest, I have already an orange Evelyn. I don't feel like, and my Evelyn is so nice, the special edition. So I was like, I don't want another orange bag. But then she said, let me see if I have something else. So she went downstairs, she came back, and we were just having our champagne, drinking, you know, having a good time. And then she came back with picotine in white. And when she came with a white picotine 18, I was like, wow, it's so beautiful. But to be honest, I also don't want a white bag, because a white bag is just gonna stain. I know myself, I'm clumsy. I'm that type of a person where, like, I know myself. I also know, like, if I wear jeans or it's also raining a lot in Europe, like, it was really just not my bag. If it was like a Birkin in white, I would understand. Like, you know, a white Birkin is nice. You can wear it from time to time, but a bag like picotine, you want to wear it all the time. So she said, madam, let me come back. And then we were looking at scarves, and at the same time we were also looking for twillies, because I also wanted to dress up one of my bags. And then she said, let me come back. And then she came back with a lot of twillies, and then she went downstairs again, and she now came with this box. And let me tell you, I was so excited. I was really excited. So that was really cute. So let me unbox this with you. I love the ribbon. It's so big. It's so amazing. So here we have our big box. It always smells so good. And ta-da! We have our bag here. Wait, keep it down. So we have our bag here. This is our picotine 18, the most beautiful color and the most sought after color. And let me tell you, I will wear this bag until it calls my name. I just feel picotines are so beautiful. They're wearable. I also have the lock, and I have the padlock. So the keys and the padlock, they're in here. I'm gonna do that a little bit after, to be honest, because I will need some time for that. And look at that bag. See how cute this is. I'll just put on the lock afterwards. But look at how pretty, how beautiful this bag is. I just feel it screams luxurious. Like, and finding like many bags in a taupe leather is so difficult. So, I mean, in a taupe. I was so happy. I hope my Birkin or my Kelly, that's on my wish list, is gonna be also probably one of the neutral colors like this, or even gold. I already have like a gold, the smallest Evelyn. It's so beautiful. I also cannot wait to dress it up soon, but I've been wearing it a lot. I just feel like I need to get it like a summer twilly or a summer scarf and just carry it in different ways. But I think at the time being, this is just gonna be also my holiday bag. I'm gonna carry this one a lot. The picotine is gonna go everywhere with me. So yes, we have the picotine here. And then finally, let's mix the brands today. A little bit of everything here and there. So I can't wait to do the boxes afterwards. My God, like, it's so messy right now. So here now we have Chanel. So I went to Chanel. I've been going to Chanel for a while, but I've been going to the Chanel in Brussels. So this time I went to the Chanel that we have here, and it's like a summer pop-up, and it's very nice, and they have really beautiful thing. And they sent me an email. It was like their opening day. So I went on the opening day, and let me tell you, I was able to secure something so beautiful. It's a bag, by the way, in case you're wondering. It's a Chanel bag. A bag that I've been looking for, a bag that I've been wanting for a long time, but it's been so difficult. I also one time tried to get it in Amsterdam, but it was so difficult. I didn't find it. They said they didn't have it. And this time when I went into the shop, they were like, they showed me this, and they also showed me the another type of Chanel that is so popular right now, and everybody is carrying it. But like in person in the shop, like, I didn't like it, but online it looks very beautiful. So let's unbox the ribbons, the beautiful Chanel ribbons. Like, Chanel has one of the most gorgeous ribbons ever. So wait, what did I do? Why is it not opening? I know it's magnetic. Jesus, yeah, it's magnetic. So here we have it. we have our beautiful bag. We have the dust bag, the Chanel hard dust bag. And then, oh, what's this? She gave me some? Wow, this is so awesome. Wow, what? This is nice. She told me, give me a moment, I'm coming back. This is, wow, okay. So we have a Chanel notebook. No, it's not even a notebook, it's like their magazine. Amazing. Okay, that's so cute. It's beautiful. And the dust bag inside also, so. Okay, we'll put you back in. I also have Hermes magazines. I love collecting Hermes magazines. I just find like they're so beautiful. So here's our bag. I find like the service in this Chanel is much nicer than where I used to go. Like where I normally go, like they don't even allow you to film when you're inside the shop. So it's really crazy, right? Guys, look at my beautiful box in here and see what we have. The most beautiful Chanel bag, in my opinion. Feminine, and I cannot wait to wear it in all my dinners everywhere. Look at that. See that? It's even matching my current outfit. Like, girl, let's go. This is gonna be my holiday bag. Like, I'm gonna carry this a lot. Like, forget about my other Chanel bags. Like this one, I'm gonna carry it a lot. So I have that. So we have this, and we also have the Frida bag, and yeah, that's just how it is. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. You can lock this inside. Yes, that's what we have. Jesus, the most beautiful Chanel bag in my opinion. Leather. Wow, look at that. Super gorgeous. What else do I have in here? Also got some gifts at Hermes. They always give me gifts. So I think I have some testers in here. I have lips in there. I also got some chocolates, and I also always get the city's postcard as well. They're always so nice. Like always really nice. We'll eat this tomorrow, I guess. And what else do we have? Something I think on the big bag as well. Just the receipt, and then the Hermes magazine that I love it. This is for this season, so that's a good thing. What else have I not unboxed? I say this is gonna be so quick. So my last item is gonna be my iPhone, the iPhone that I got. This birthday, we're gonna take a lot of content. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. We're gonna, you know, I cannot wait. Like, you know, iPhones are one of the best phones like to take content, in my opinion. So I chose the silver color because I feel this is gonna age well. You know, so here's my new iPhone, and I also got a cover. This is my iPhone cover. I think in a minute I'm just going to, I want to remove everything here and pack what I need to pack, and then I can switch to the new phone. Here it is. I chose this color for the cover. I find it beautiful, and it will go with so many of my outfits, and it's also neutral. So yeah, fits in here. It also fits inside the Chanel bag. Where are you? It fell down. Probably you guys saw that happening. An iPhone Pro fits inside this bag. It's not that small like you would think. Okay, so loves, that's just about it. I'm so happy with what I got. I'm so happy for this beautiful season, and I'm even more excited to be healthy and also to be able to probably see another year, God willing. And also I'm so happy like to share these moments with you as well. Like we share all kinds of moments together, so these are part of them. And I hope to see you guys on another video, and I hope I'll see you soon. So thank you so much. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and I'll see you around.